Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Bootstrap tutorial. In today's class, I'll be discussing about panels. So what is a panel and what are the various classes that are available in the panel? So coming to the panel, so let me just tell you what is a panel. Panel in Bootstrap is a bordered box. Okay, so it is a bordered box. So it is a bordered box with some padding. So there will be some padding. So bordered box with some padding around its content. Okay, so around its content. So that is what is called a panel. Okay, so around its content. So there are various classes that are available in the panel. So the classes are for the panel. The first class is the panel class, and then you have the panel heading class, and the third one is panel body class, and the fourth one is the panel footer class. Okay, and then you have panel group class, and you can also use panel along with the contextual classes. The contextual classes that are available are panel hyphen default, okay, and then panel hyphen info, and panel hyphen danger, and panel hyphen success, panel hyphen primary, and panel hyphen what else is there? Okay, primary default warning is there. Okay, so panel hyphen warning. So these are all the 6 contextual classes that are available which add color to your panel. So these are all the classes that are available in the panel, and let us see how to use them and where to use them. So let me clear this off. Okay, so this is my HTML document, and inside the div class is equal to container. So what I'll do is I'll be taking so if you want to, you can give a heading, or else you no need to give a heading. So these are all the HTML and CSS documents that you need to include. So I just have copied and I have included the link and the script into the head tag. And inside the body tag, so I have taken the class is equal to container, and then I am starting giving my panel. Okay, so inside the div tag, so I am giving class is equal to, so first I am going to create a panel here. So I'm saying div class is equal to panel, div class is equal to panel. Okay, so if you want, you can give color to it. I'll show you the default one, and then we'll add the color to it. So then I'm giving another div. So div class is equal to, so I'm giving a heading, so which is panel hyphen heading. Okay, so I'm giving some heading. So let me give a heading over here. So which is so say which is web technologies. Okay, so I'm saying web technologies. So I gave a heading which is web technologies. I'm closing the div tag, and then I'm closing the div tag of the panel. So let me show this on the browser how this looks. Okay, so I just got web technologies as a heading, but the panel is not created because I didn't give the contextual class. Okay, so say for example, now I'm giving the contextual class. First, I'll be giving the default. Okay, so I'm saying panel hyphen default. Okay, so and let me now give this. You can see that since default has created a box, you can see that there is a box around this particular web technologies, and this is nothing but the heading. I haven't added the body and all that. As I add, the panel will have more boxes below it. So I'll change the color. So I'll make the color to warning. Okay, so warning is a bit orange color. So you can see that warning, the panel is more prominent now because I changed the color. So after this, I'll be creating the body of the panel by using the class which is panel body. So I said panel hyphen body. So I have taken the body over here, and then let me type some text over here. Web technologies refers to, okay, refers to the various tools and techniques that are utilized in the process of communication between different types of devices over the internet. So I just gave a body to it, and then I'm closing the div tag. So let us see, I'm loading it, and let us see how it appeared. So you can see that the box appeared, but now there is no full coloring to the body of the panel. Okay, so we get coloring only to the heading of the panel. So let us add the footer now. So I said div again class is equal to, so now I'll be taking the panel footer. So panel hyphen footer. So let me close this and give some footer. So let me give the date of today, April 2022, and let me close the div tag. I'm just giving some footer. So let me actually show you now. Okay, so this is how the footer appeared. Three have appeared in three different boxes. The first one is the heading, and next the body, and then the footer. Okay, so next we'll see how to actually group the panel. So to group the panel, so I can have 2 or 3 panels and I can group them. So here in after the container, so I'll be taking one more div. So div class is equal to, so herein I'm saying I'm giving the name of the class which is panel group. So panel hyphen group. Okay, so I created a group now. And this is all what I have. Okay, so I'm copying this, I'm making one more panel over here. Okay, and then from here on I have the first panel. So the div has closed for this and this. I just need one div, one closing div. Okay, so then the second panel have started here. Okay, and this is closed and this is closed, and this is this these two are for the panel group and the container. Okay, so let me actually show you. So you can see that this is the first panel and this is the second panel. Let me actually give danger over here. So this is the first panel and this is the second panel. Okay, so let me make the color to success. Okay, so you can prominently see that this is the first panel and this is the second panel. So they're grouped together. How will you know that they're grouped together is, okay, so let me actually take off this. Okay, let me actually take this off. Okay, so let me comment this and also take one div away. So I'm taking one div away and let us see what will happen. So now they are not grouped together. There's two individual panels. Now take an observation that the gap between these two panels have increased. Okay, when you group the panels, what will happen is the gap between this will be reduced. Okay, so the bottom margin will be taken off by the panel group. So I'll show you this once again. So I'll just take this, keep this panel group. So I have grouped this, and let me include one more div for the panel group. Okay, so now take an observation. Okay, so please do observe this, like what will happen between the gap. Okay, so let me just draw a line from here till here. Okay, so you will see that this line will reduce. Okay, so you will observe that this line will reduce. So let me actually reload it. Now we have included the panel group. We have included these two in the panel group. So as I refresh this, you can see that the margin has been taken off from by the panel group. So by this, you will be knowing that it has been grouped together. Okay, so that's it, friends. This is all about panels. So what are all the classes we have seen? We have seen the panel class, then the contextual classes of the panel, panel danger, panel success and all that. Then we have seen panel heading, panel body, and then panel footer. And finally, we have seen how to make the panels together, how to group the panels together. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.